Hi everyone, and welcome back to Enjoy Beekeeping. This is a special video because today we get to announce all the contest winners from our recent contest. And we have some super exciting news to share with you. So first off, we did it. We hit the 10,000 subscriber mark just like I thought we would because we were so close. In fact, we blew past it. We're at 10,200 plus. And it's only because of you and your support to the channel. So you're the ones that are making it grow. And I just want to welcome you, whether you've been here since the beginning or if you just joined recently. Welcome to this amazing beekeeping community. We've got 3 winners to announce, and before I announce their names, I want to let you know that I used a program called randdraw.com. So I downloaded all the people that emailed their entry form onto a CSV file, and then I uploaded it to RandDraw, which randomly chooses 3 winners out of the entire list. So in case you're wondering, did we pick numbers randomly out of the air, or did we just think of a name that we like the sound of? No, we didn't do any of that. This was totally done hands-off, no human intervention other than me uploading that CSV file. So there was no bias in the contest. I wanted to keep it as fair as possible and give everyone a fair shot. Now on to the contest winners. Winner number 1 is Chris Brandt, and Chris is from Delaware. Chris, I hope it's still not too cold up there right now. It's a little cool out today, but it's not too bad. But Chris, congratulations. And Chris has won the observation beehive. So I'll be packaging one up and sending that out to you this week. And Chris, in the comments, I just wanted to share what Chris's interests are as far as bees and what his goals are. And the thing that Chris likes about bees is it's good mental and physical therapy, and I couldn't agree more. It is, because who doesn't like being outside? And the challenge of being involved and part of maintaining a healthy, productive living unit. I couldn't agree more with that statement either. I think that draws a lot of people into beekeeping, and it's going to keep you going throughout the years. So keep up the good work. Okay, now for winner number 2. Winner number 2 is Kenny Sylvester, all the way from Maryland. So Maryland, another cold state. And hopefully the snow is melting where you are, Kenny. And Kenny has won the plywood swarm trap, the DIY swarm trap. So Kenny is going to go out catching bees. In fact, that's what he wrote in his comments about what he loves about keeping bees, or what his goal is. And his goal is to trap and maintain bees almost for free. And yes, Kenny, you're going to be able to do that. In fact, you'll probably get hooked on it, because that's what happens when you start catching bees and you see how easy it is to put those traps up and catch them for free. Yeah, you'll just keep coming back for more. Okay, on to our final winner. Winner number 3 is John Wilson from Ohio. And John also has won a plywood swarm trap for catching bees. And a little bit about John, what he loves about beekeeping. First off, John says it's awesome that such a small honeybee can do so much inside a colony and make that sweet honey. Now, John's goal is to double the amount of colonies he has. So John's already keeping bees. John has 4, and he wants to go up to 8. And John, that's a very reasonable goal. You should be able to hit that this year. So with catching bees for free, that's even going to increase those odds more. Those are the 3 winners, and I just want to give a quick shout out to everyone that participated in this contest. It made me feel like I was part of something special just to see the response I got from the beekeeping community and their support for this little contest for fun that we did. And it's a great way to start the spring too. You've already heard the winners, but I didn't, I thought about it, I was like, boy, I just don't want to leave all the other people that entered the contest kind of hanging, because I was just so excited about all the response that we got. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to do something special for every single entrant. So what I decided to do was, I've got my video on demand course, and I've got videos that I load into there periodically that are kind of the deep dive stuff into beekeeping, and also some of the DIY kit stuff that I'm going to be continuing to add into those. So I've got some big ones coming in the near future. So if you haven't checked that out, see the links below. I've made a massive discount on that entire course. So watch for your email and look for that specific one. There's going to be a special discount promo code that you'll be able to enter and watch all those videos at a deep discount. So I'm really excited about that. And it's my way of saying thanks to everyone who got involved in this contest. We couldn't have done it without you. And look at where we are now compared to where we were just a few weeks ago. If you had fun in the contest, just drop me a line in the comments below and let me know what you'd like to see in the future. I might, I was thinking when I started this contest, maybe I'll start doing this on a regular basis because it's just fun and I like to see other people enjoy beekeeping. That's why I named the channel that, because I wanted that to be something everyone could enjoy. So make sure you're subscribed and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. So friends, until the next time, keep those bees happy and healthy and keep on enjoying beekeeping wherever you are in the world. I'll see you at the next one.